In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a folder in Outlook. If you want to keep your inbox neat and make your emails easier to find later, creating folders in Outlook is a simple and very helpful way to do that. It allows you to organize messages by project, client, topic, or any category that makes sense for the way you work. To get started, open Outlook on your device and wait for it to fully load. Once you're in, click on Mail so you're viewing your email section. This is important because folders are managed from the Mail view, where you can see your inbox and the rest of your email folders. Now, look over to the left-hand side where your inbox appears. Next to the inbox, you'll see a three-dot menu. Go ahead and click those three dots. This menu gives you more options for managing your mailbox and organizing your messages. From that menu, choose the option to create a new folder. As soon as you click it, Outlook will let you enter a name for the folder. Pick a name that clearly describes what you plan to store there. For example, you might create a folder for work messages, personal emails, receipts, or a specific project. Using a clear name will make it much easier to stay organized over time. After you type in the folder name, confirm it so the folder is created. You should now see your new folder appear in your folder list. At this point, the folder is ready to use. To start organizing your messages, simply drag emails from your inbox into your new folder. This is a quick way to clean up your inbox and group related emails together. If you have several emails on the same topic, moving them into one folder can help you reduce clutter and make future searches much easier. As a helpful tip, try creating folders only for categories you actually use often. Too many folders can become just as confusing as a crowded inbox, so keeping your system simple usually works best. You can always create more later if you need them. And that's it. Once you've created your folder and moved your emails into it, your Outlook inbox will already feel more organized and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.